This is Hannah the Slime Encounter, and today we're gonna try this butter slime from Temu. This is about an ounce. I'm sorry for the things here. Yeah, so we'll try this. Like it says that it's like 5 ounces, but this oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. This isn't even 2 ounces, I think. This is really small, like maybe you can't see it on camera, but I compare it to my hand, like, yeah, so let's open them. Yeah, and comes with a little charm, and it was for $8, so it was $8.35. So let's open it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so okay, this looks like a glossy slime. If you can see, I'm sorry that I take it so near. So I'm not really good. So let's take, oh my gosh, take the charm. Yeah, it comes with a blue Oreo charm. I didn't actually know that there's blue Oreos. Yeah, so, oh, this is not like a butter slime. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to take it out. Okay, I got it out. Nice. Okay. Oh, this box isn't so big, but you get pretty much slime. And I hope you can inflate it, because I really like to inflate slimes when they are inflated, because they make nice bubble pops. Okay, this one makes a little bit bubble pops. I don't know if you could hear it. Oh, that was a great bubble pop. So, I'm sorry, I just almost dropped my phone. It's impossible to open this bag with one hand, because I'm filming with one hand and the other. Wait, I'll try to open it with my mouth. I'm sorry. I got it. Oh my gosh, no. So, no. Yeah. This charm is really, like, it's not so good, because, you know, here on the back, there's nothing, literally nothing. And here, it's not, oh my gosh, like this. No, you can't see it. But yeah, it's like O, not Oreo, it's O. There's some weird things on it, so. But I'll take this slime on the other, like this, in the other side, and take this. Let me see how it looks. Oh, that's nice. It looks like the cookie, but the cookie is a little bit lighter blue. So you can just make a lot of Oreos slime. I'm sorry for the, like, not really good things. Oh, is it? Okay. I thought it was some hair in it. But what is those black things though? I don't know. Yeah, another one. So many. I don't care. Yeah. I'm sorry. I hope this isn't mold, because I was about to, like, give it 2 stars. No, not 2 stars, 5 stars. So I hope this isn't mold, because then I'll give it, like, only 3 stars, because I don't like slimes with mold. It doesn't smell really great, but in the script it said that it will smell like just candy and things and that it will smell like candy, but no, it doesn't smell anything like candy. It just smells like chemicals, so I don't like the smell. Okay, now we can see better because I was holding it right like this before. Now we can see better. I'm so sorry because this is my first time I'm rating slime. Okay. Okay, I made some little bubble pops, some small ones, but they're not so loud like in normal slimes. The thing I'm really sad about that it didn't inflate. So yeah, bye bye Oreo. Okay. Take the phone like this because I'm filming on my phone. So I really, actually, if you just want a small slime really fast, yeah, this one like it said that it would come like in 2 weeks, but it came like 1 week too late, so like really we waited so long for this. It just, I don't know why. So I recommend it if you can wait a long time, but I don't recommend if you just can't wait and just want to have directly. So then I just recommend buy some other slimes in other shops, maybe on Walmart. So yeah, let's get to the other slime. Let's come to the next slime. What is this? What is this? When I bought this slime, like, it wasn't here. What is this? I don't know if I want to touch this, so I'll try to take it off of this. What is this? Some type of candy? Candy cane or something? Yeah. So let's open this. Okay, I got this slime out. So it's pretty in purple, but like it's a little bit hard to like poke it, and it's really clay heavy. Like it's almost only clay. It's just clay, so. But I still kind of like it because I kind of like playing with clay sometimes. When I don't have slime at home, then I just have clay. I sometimes just play with clay, so I kind of like this one. But if you don't like clay heavy slimes, then I don't recommend this one. And it's scented like it's actually scented like maybe, I'm sorry. It's scented like, actually, I can't like identify the scent. So, but it doesn't smell bad like this one. It smells good, like, smells like chocolate? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe chocolate. So, if you like playing with, like, if you like really buttery slimes, like this one, and like chocolate scent, you can I'm sorry. I'm so clingy today. No, hair. No, not hair in my slime. Okay, I don't care. Yeah, I really recommend this one if you like chocolates and you like chocolate and like playing with clay. So I really recommend this slime. So we have one slime left, so I'll just pack this one in this and we'll try the last slime from Temu. Oh, and I bought this slime from I don't remember. I'm so sorry, I just don't remember which store online I bought it. But I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. But like, if you want this slime and like this slime, yeah, I am so sorry, but I'm not so old yet, and I don't know how to put the links in this script, so I'm sorry, but maybe when I'm older. So you just have to get this slime. You have to type butter slime on Temu and it will probably come up. So I recommend this and this if you like to play with clay, of course. So bye. Let's do the last slime. So why did I say bye? Okay, let's do the last slime anyways, okay? I have the next slime, maybe slimes. And this one is in the package, so let's take them out. Oh my gosh, I don't feel this normal boxes like this one. I feel something. Don't tell me this will be in like those little baggy things. Don't tell me. No, please, no. What is this? No, this isn't slime. Okay, maybe it is slime, but it's really small though. Smaller than this thing. Okay, it's like bigger, but it's like not as much slime as in this one. So, but yeah, I bought 2 of them, and it's pink and blue. So let's open them. There's a little bit of the blue slime right here because I had to open them with scissors. So they are really, really, really small. There's like quietly some slime, like it's barely anything here. It's like not even as big as my hand. So let's try this. Okay, I can feel on this one that there's some parts that are like really stiff in this one, so I don't like that. There's many stiff parts. Like there's some parts that are really soft and fun to play with, but there's some parts that are stiff and I can't like squish them or something. Yeah, I can only squish them. And this one is bad. This one is worse than the blue one. And I don't know why they were in this bubble package, but okay. So, like, these are really, like, really only clay. No, please don't. Okay. So these are only clay. Really just only clay. So I'm sorry that I was just quiet. Let's try to mix. No, I'm so sorry. I'm so clingy. I'm trying to mix them together. Let's do it. I want to see what color comes out because I don't remember what color comes when you mix pink and blue. Now I feel something stiff in here. I don't like that. So I'm mixing them together. But the blue will just dominate the pink, so it will be only blue. The color is really pretty now though. Okay, here, down here, it got, like, you can't see it on the camera, but it turned out to a really pretty pastel purple. Maybe you can see it a little bit, but it's like, in the camera it looks like it's the most only blue, but in real life it's really pink, more pink. So yeah, so I recommend this to people that, oh, it makes bubble pops, yeah. Oh, I forgot to say how it's scented. It's scented like cotton candy, so I recommend it. So I recommend it if you like some slimes that make bubble pops but don't stretch so much, because this slime doesn't stretch so much. It does stretch, but it rips because it's like clay, but it makes bubble pops though. So I recommend this. So that was all for today, and bye.